the 40th President of Rotary Club of Valenzuela East, and also the first woman of the lady, the first lady of Rotary Club of Valenzuela East, none other than the President-elect, Mami Gracia.
Nakita niyo kung bakit magic of Rotary tayo. Bakit? The magic of Rotary. Friends and fellow Rotarians, I'm thrilled to introduce our new theme for the upcoming year, the magic of Rotary. Just like magic, Rotary has the power to make incredible things happen in our communities and beyond. We